Kara Jenkins had never known a life outside of climbing. The daughter of elite mountaineers, she had spent her childhood scaling rock faces instead of sitting in classrooms, breathing in crisp mountain air rather than the stale walls of a school. Climbing was more than a sport to her, it was home, her escape, her identity. But everything changed the day her father returned from an expedition in Ecuador without her mentor and close family friend, Connor. A tragic accident had taken his life, and suddenly, Kara's world was no longer balanced on the rock faces she trusted, it was crumbling beneath her. With her parents grieving and preparing for their next climb, Kara is sent to live with her grandparents in suburban Michigan, far from the towering cliffs that once defined her life. She finds herself thrust into an unfamiliar world, high school. No more breathtaking summits, no more chalk-dusted hands, just fluorescent lit hallways, locker, and a sea of faces she doesn't recognize. It's an environment where she feels completely out of place. At first, Kara resists. She longs to return to the mountains, to the adrenaline and freedom that climbing provides. But as the weeks pass, she slowly begins to adapt. She meets Caitlin, a confident and outspoken girl who welcomes her into her circle, and Nick, a quiet and observant classmate with a passion for the environment. Through them, she starts to see the world outside of climbing, one filled with poetry, protests, and a different kind of challenge. Despite these new friendships, Kara still struggles to reconcile her past with her present. She feels torn between the girl she was and the girl she is becoming. When an opportunity arises to return to competitive climbing, she jumps at the chance, believing it will restore her sense of purpose. However, the experience isn't what she expects. The joy she once found in climbing feels distant, tainted by grief and the realization that she may be chasing a past that no longer exists. As she navigates this internal conflict, Kara begins to see that strength isn't just about holding on, it's also about knowing when to let go. Through Nick's activism, she develops an appreciation for nature in a different way, learning that mountains aren't just obstacles to conquer but places that deserve respect and protection. Through Caitlin's unwavering support, she finds confidence in her own voice. And through her grandparents, she learns that roots can be just as important as wings. In the end, Kara doesn't have all the answers, but she has something even more valuable, the understanding that change isn't something to fear. The mountains will always be there, but so will the people and experiences that have shaped her. She learns to embrace both, holding on to the memories that matter while letting go of the need to define herself solely by her past. And for the first time in a long time, she feels free, not just on the side of a mountain, but in the quiet moments of everyday life.